Welcome to the Eaton Park house plan, a dazzling modern marvel where elegance meets innovation in every meticulously designed space. Here, sleek lines and bold contrasts create an inviting front entrance, exuding minimalist serenity and stylish comfort from back to front. Step through to an interior equally striking, where chic meets warmth in a grand entryway embrace. We're immediately welcomed by the natural light of this open-concept great room, kitchen, and dining room. Drifting into the great room, accented by a sleek, chic fireplace centerpiece. Now gliding to the kitchen that marries striking patterns with elegant gold accents. The dining room unfolds with airy grace and sculptural lighting. Leaving the convivial charm of the dining area, we find sanctuary in the master bedroom, a symphony of tranquil tones and plush textures. Slip from bedroom tranquility to a bathroom haven with a sleek tub and dual vanities that promise a daily spa experience. As always, any advanced house plan's home design can be customized to fit your needs.